Hey everyone, welcome back to the Traveler's Tavern. This is show number 2 in our series where we're bringing to you drink recipes that you can make at home that you can find throughout the Disney and Universal theme parks and resorts area. So now I'm going to turn it over to my son, Joe, who's going to walk you through our holiday recipe. Thanks. The following is brought to you by Waves of Memories Travel. Contact Waves of Memories Travel for all your travel needs, specializing in Disney and Universal Studios family vacations. Be sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button.
On this episode, we are going to be making the red-nosed zebra found at Tradersams Enchanted Tiki Bar at Disneyland Hotel. For this holiday cocktail, you will need 1.5 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of strawberry puree or strawberry daiquiri mix, 1 ounce of agave nectar, half an ounce of lime juice, and half an ounce of lemon juice. We have our shaker filled with ice, and we will add all the ingredients to that shaker. So here's our half an ounce of lemon juice. Next, half an ounce of lime juice. Next is 1 ounce of our agave nectar.
And the agave nectar you can find in any local grocery store.
One ounce of our strawberry puree or daiquiri mix. And then 1.5 ounces of our rum. Next, we're just going to cap it off, give it a shake. And pour over a glass filled with ice. And then to top it off, we have some crushed ice as well. And there it is, the red-nosed zebra found at Trader Sam's Enchanted Tiki Bar. Cheers. That's really good.
Nice. Happy holidays from Waves of Memory Travel.
This is fantastic. This is fantastic.